Good morning, students. So, let us continue our remaining topic of the chapter. But before we will start our today's session, let us have a small recap what we had learned in last video.
In last video, first point we had seen a new way of life. In that, have you ever noticed when you plant a seed, it will take time, a week, month, and in some cases it will take year. When early people learn the way to grow the plants, for that they have to stay at the same place for a long time. To take care of this plant in a form of providing water, weeding and driving away animals and birds till the crops are not grown. Early people found the way to grow the plants. In same way, they also found the way to store the food for their use and for their future. They are storing the grains in a earthen clay jar and pots, dug pits into the ground to store the grains. Even the war basket is used to store the grains. Besides the store of grains, they even started stores of food or animal, because animal, as we know, multiple animals naturally are found, and even they take care of this animal carefully, because it is important source for food for them, to provide milk, meat and food for them whenever they want. Next point is towards a settled life. When their people doing hunting and gathering in ancient time, people found different ways to live. In same way, archaeologists have found traces of house huts in Burman, which is present day in Kashmir, which were built under the ground with the step leading into them. These types of houses have proved that early people had started learning to survive in different weather conditions. Different types of tools we had found in Neolithic age. In Neolithic age, the tools were more advanced than the Paleolithic age. In Paleolithic age, we found the tools were simple shaped tools. For example, cutter, hand axe, etc. But when we are talking about Neolithic age, in that time the tools were more advanced the tools which we are using is having more polish and cutting is sharp, cutting the tools having sharpen in more cooking earthens are also found during the this archaeologist sites. We found that cooking earthens inside or outside of them, and also come to know that people can cook their food even they are depend on the nature. Different types of tools in that mortar and pestles which were used for grinding the grains, which is a good example even we found today in a form of mixer grinder which we are using for our different purposes. Same way in ancient time our grandfathers or grandparents were using this store grinding method to provide the taste in their food. Even the grinding grains we are finding today in our Ayurvedic or in pharmacy also. Next is earthen pots. The earthen pots are used for cooking the foods and even storing the foods for various purposes. Even we found decorative pots. People use the earthen pots for cooking, especially like rice, wheat and lentils. Even we found an improvement in our clothes. There are different types of material being used by the people. One good example of material is used, that is cotton. In ancient time the peoples are using animal skins for their clothes to wear. So now our last topic, a closer look, living and dying in Mehergarh. First point comes in your mind that where is Mehergarh is located. Mehergarh is located near the Bolan Pass to the west of the Indus River Valley, which is present day found in Pakistan. Even Bolan Pass way to Iran to India. Bolan Pass is a place in a hilly area. In Mehergarh, it is suspected that first one, the man and woman had learned how to grow barley and wheat. Even archaeologists found many animal like sheep and goat for first time in this area. Even they found many animal bones that is steps to the site by the Mehergarh people started taming the animals, especially like deer and pigs. Next, later they are also found the bones of sheep and goat also. Last point in your topic is even they found Mehergarh. The houses mostly square or rectangle houses. These houses have mostly four or more compartments. They use this compartment as a storage of the foods. Compartment means a room. It is a room where there are made storehouses to store the grains, which is easily detected by the archaeologists in Mehergarh. When people die. In Mehergarh, when people die, their relatives, friends, they pay respect them and they look after them. Even they have a belief that the people who die, they not left them and they were with them. Even after life after the death. They kept their bodies with them. Even burial arrangement is been made by the people of Mehergarh. Archaeologists found different burial sites in Mehergarh. The burials arrangement made by the Mehergarh people, even they used to offer the foods to their relatives which were there grown they used to offer their people even they used to buried the goats food to the burial people with their bodies. Some even they believe that life after death so here the chapter ends.